This video shows how to connect a remote PC which is outside the building connected with a hotspot. So this is external PC with Windows 10, and this is an in-house PC, and I will connect this one with a remote assistance or so a remote help desktop connection. So this is the situation. This is my PC, and there's a router. The router is Fritzbox Default Connection, default settings, nothing changed in there. And I have this external system. I connect both with a remote assistance. So, and I will show you this because it's sometimes you need it to get help instead of TeamViewer. You need this system. So, and I'll show it on both systems. What we do here is this. That's a German system, but it's in English the same. What we have to say there, we go to Windows 10 and say remote help, remote assistance. Here it's called remote Hilfe, remote help, remote systems. A small icon like this one. And in there you say the first system, this is in-house. I want to I want to show that you will be from the outside to the inside of a building without changing anything. So in this case, we have to say first, the first point is we say, give me this code, the first point. It's a German one. Set the point. And now I'm outside the building. Elvis is outside. As you see, we have here, this is connected with my smartphone, and the smartphone LAN is not connected, so I'm only outside with a 4G connection. Now in there, the same. I will say here again, remote. Now here, remote assistance. It's called in English remote assistance, remote help. I connect it. I get a small point again, and now I'm outside the building. And now I say, okay, give me the remote help. Now I get a code, this small code, and I will set the code in. Will get the code to my colleague by the telephone, and I say, okay, now the code is 5904 and 57. Nothing different. And now I say, okay, connect it. And you will see it's like TeamViewer system. Now system will connect. Now the system says admit the access to the system. System gets connection. Now this system has connection to that one. And now I'm using this one. Both systems may see that stuff. I see it like this. If I open the folder, for example. Now when I push something there in my remote PC, then both people can work with that. And when I use this mouse also works. Oh, my batteries go be empty. Connect my batteries again. So now this one is also on there, and I also may copy some files in here when I am at remote PC, remote help. When I go to my PC, say okay, I need let's say a file, text file, this one, I copy it, or copy, go in there and insert. Where is it? Insert. And now what's happened is that you see that file on this PC. So this was connected with external PC with remote assistance and to a home PC without changing anything on the router. And I think this will also work with a Station 1 and Station 2 like TeamViewer.